Hi everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Isaac John, and I'm the CEO of Zabira Technologies.
Okay. Okay. So you're almost getting to 6 years. What has inspired the brand to relaunch? You are relaunching the brand at this stage of its growth. What's the inspiration behind it?
Okay, when we started 6 years ago, our mission was simple: to provide everyday users with wallet service where they can initiate their payment. As simple as it is, right? But over time, we learned and discovered that we are not just building a wallet; we are building trust, we are building access, and we are building confidence in digital and how people interact with digital money, right? And we sort of sit back and go back to the drawing board to to realign our mission and vision, right? So you can identify with what we do now and in the years to come.
Okay.
This is what inspired a relaunch. So the relaunch is not just cosmetics; it is intentional, right? It is strategic to position the brand to serve more users, right? And also to drive financial inclusion, not just in Nigeria but Africa at large.
Okay. Now, so the new identity, the People's Wallet, how is it shaping Zabira's operations and missions?
Yeah, it's shaping Zabira's vision and mission in all respect, right? Our vision remains the same, to be customers' first choice,
Okay.
right, for digital and currency, digital exchange in Nigeria, not just Nigeria, in Africa at large. And what we do with Spark, our attributes, our core value right now is built on Spark, and that is security, people, agility, reliability, and knowledge, right? With these, we want to ensure we provide safety and security to people's wallets, right? So they can transact with peace of mind and go to bed, right? And also, we are building our product, especially the wallet system, right? Which is why our new tagline has evolved to the people's wallet. It is customer centric, it is people centric, right? We take feedback from users, we listen to them, and incorporate it back to the system. So, I mean, this attribute is shaping not just Zabira, but the financial landscape of Nigeria and Africa at large to drive inclusion to uh, to everyone, especially the underserved people in the new economy.
Okay. Are there any new products or services or features being introduced in the relaunched Zabira?
Yes, we have a lot. We have what is called Payment OS. In Payment OS, we have a product called Payment Link, where vendors, retailers, and micro businesses and SME will be able to use the platform and share payment link with their partners and businesses, so that without website they can receive payment and send payment seamlessly. This helps people to do businesses, right? We also have payout system with um, with statement of account, right? So you can carry out a transaction and print statement of account where you can send this to a landlord or a vendor or a lender or investors, right? We also have merchant API, right? This API provide opportunity for community members to interact with their businesses, right? To integrate on our platform to facilitate payment seamlessly with their partners and members of their community.
Okay. So, how do you do it that you ensure instant settlement, especially in your bills, payments, and crypto exchange services?
Yes, so for instant payment, I mean, instant payment is key as well as trust. Trust is one of the core factor that we are building on, and I can tell you for free that On Zabira, when you send money, you must receive your payment instantly. Why? Because we've come to understand that if people don't receive their money, their trust fades away with time. So the moment their money hangs, their trust begin to fade away. Now we ensure we integrate with third parties, with platforms that can ensure they facilitate our payments seamlessly. And we ensure from back end, our engineers and development team, we ensure we continue to optimize, we continue to improve on these products to ensure they interact and communicate with banking partners, payment operators, and dealers across the country and across markets seamlessly.
Okay. So there's something about Zabira's competitors. So how does Zabira now differentiate it? Is user experience. How are you able to create a better user experience from your competitors whose probably their only focus, whose focus probably is just on transactions? How are you able to create a user experience that beats your competitors?
All right. Speaking about competitors, um, with this brand relaunch, we are focusing on building or providing an intuitive experience for users, right? We have built the product so that it is lightweight. We have mobile app that is lightweight, right? Such that even basic smartphones with low internet connectivity will be able to access our product. Do you get? So we are banking on speed. We want to ensure security is our watchword, right? So we ensure safety of our users' funds, right? Then we put compliance at the forefront of everything we do. In fact, when it comes to integration, either with payment or any other third party, we ensure whatever integration we go into, these parties, they also are compliant, right? They are compliant in what they do because, I mean, we are dealing with people's money that these people are dealing with us based on trust, and we must ensure we keep to our words. Now, in terms of compliance, we have also been able to integrate tiered KYC platform where we all member users on our platform, they carry out KYC that involves NIN, BVN, and liveliness test, right? To check that we are actually dealing with human beings and not robots, right? And also this gives them a quick start off and at the same time give them access to higher trade limits.
Okay. So what markets does Zabira currently operate in? African markets specifically, and are there plans for an expansion?
Yes, Zabira is a Pan-African brand. Currently, we have presence in Nigeria, we have presence in Kenya, and we have presence in Ghana. We intend to also open our doors to more countries in Africa, Cameroon, Rwanda, Tanzania. These are in the pipeline. For now, three countries: Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya.
Okay. Then what systems are in place basically to maintain service uptime and consistent transaction processing?
All right. From the back end, from our engineering team and IT infrastructure, we ensure all our integrations are being monitored frequently, and we ensure that there is no downtime. We ensure from the back office to the user facing side, every product is working optimally. And to ensure this is done, we ensure we also integrate with forward thinking third parties to provide us with in these integrations such that our codes or our backend don't fail or break at any given time.
Okay. So let me just ask the final, what are the future plans? What future services does Zabira plan to introduce into the financial ecosystem?
All right, future plan. Our future plan is is simple and straightforward from the get go, right? And this is hinged on our vision, right? And our vision is to be customers' first choice for digital currency exchange in Africa, right? And I think to bring it to short term, in 5 years from now, we want to be the platform where Nigerians and Africans at large we go to exchange their digital currency. Now, the plans we have in place is built on four pillars. One will be access, two will be affordability, three will be trust, and four will be opportunity. Right? For access, we want to ensure users are able to access our platform at any given time and also able to access products on the platform 247. Right? We are building the system and simplifying it where users can move in value either from bank, mobile money, cash points into the Zabira wallet. Right? For affordability, we have also ensure our platform is viable even for small businesses, right? And at top of that, we also ensure we give rewards for everyday usage. For opportunities, we have payment links, merchant APIs, statement of account. These will also give opportunities to SMEs, retail and micro retail businesses to also integrate on our platform, right on our platform, to also access and service their users. Then for trust is at the center of it because we believe inclusion without protection is no progress, right? So we ensure that we cement trust with security and to ensure users' wallet at any given time, their transactions are being backed up by data and are secure at all times.
Okay, so that's that.